compound, I repeat again, it contains an active methylene group, which is highly acidic in nature. So we are doing the preparation of N-butyric acid. Butyric acid is butanoic acid. Butyric is the common name, butanoic is the IUPAC nomenclature. So we are doing the synthesis of butanoic acid using malonic ester chemistry. The importance of malonic ester is it contains a CH2 group which is sandwiched between two carbonyls, making it acidic in nature because there are resonant, stabilized, enolate and carbonyl structures which help in the distribution of the negative charge. So the first step is generation of the negative charge by abstracting the proton of the CH2 group using a base. Remember, the base you have to learn is sodium ethoxide, NaOET. So you use a base which is sodium ethoxide, you will be able to abstract the proton of the CH2 group which is acidic in nature. Now, since you have to prepare N-butyric acid, which is CH3, CH2, CH2COOH, remember CH2COOH group, which is written in the box, comes from the malonic ester, and this group CH3 CH2 comes from the RX alkyl halide जो हम substitution कर रहे हैं. That means CH3 CH2X, which is my ethyl iodide, I've taken as the alkyl halide. I will react it with the negative charge or the carbanion generated or the malonic ester's carbanion generated, which is the SN2 reaction, to form this ester, which is now CH3CH2CH COOET square. The purpose is to remove these groups, and there are two of them. So first of all, I'm going to hydrolyze the ester. Hydrolysis of the ester produces the acid. So I'm hydrolyzing it with, not with a very strong NaOH, but with a dilute, which is aqueous NaOH. So you will end up with the sodium salt of the ester. Again treated with HCl, you would form a dicarboxylic acid, heated to form the monocarboxylic N-butyric acid. So this is very easy example and the simplest reaction to illustrate the importance of malonic ester compounds to prepare various kinds of organic compounds. So they are used in the synthesis of large variety of carboxylic acids. You can prepare a dicarboxylic acid, you can prepare a monocarboxylic acid, you can prepare straight chain acids, you can prepare branched acids. You will be seeing it in the next type. Next reaction, we'll be preparing an isovaleric acid. So we'll be preparing the next acid in the next class. But I think for today, let us see the importance. Let us conclude the lecture by saying the importance of malonic ester chemistry is that it is very acidic in nature, highly acidic in nature, because it contains a CH2 group which is sandwiched between two carbonyls, making it acidic in nature. On reacting with a base, it forms an anion, and that anion undergoes SN2 type of reaction to form a you can see, so it has formed a substitution product which can easily undergo hydrolysis to form my desired product. In this case, it is a monocarboxylic acid. So I think with this, we can stop here and continue the other reactions or the other various kinds of preparations which can be done using malonic ester as my